But that's okay, because I'm gardening. It don't matter. I don't have to look cute. I just need to get the job done. So I was out early this morning. I got up at I was up before 6 o'clock in the morning, trying to get some stuff done. So I have already shown you the time elapse, so let me actually show you what I got planted. Okay. So let me turn the camera around. Right there, that is the Main Street 5th Avenue Coleus. That's going to get about 3 feet tall. I put another one, I don't know if you can see it, back there. And then I put 2 in each section. So there's another one right there. And there's another one right back there. So let's see. Then when you come into the red section, so that is the Beale Street, and that's the other Beale Street. And then in this red section over here, I put the 2 Vong Streets. So there's one right there and one right there. So I think when those get big, they're gonna make everything look really nice. I did plant some Gomphrena like right there. We'll see how well that does. So the roses are starting to open. That's Bathsheba, and that's Alchemist, and that's another Bathsheba right there. So this is, let's see, Pink Hawaiian Coral, I think. Yeah. And then down here is Coral Charm, I think. It's one or the other. I'm getting them mixed up, people. It happens when you have this many flowers. Right, this white one right here, that is Crinkle White. I have 2 of those. The ones on this side of the driveway have a lot more blooms than the ones on the other side of the driveway. So, I don't know, next year I may have to give them some fertilizer or something, because I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is about this section, but it seems this one is more fertile. Okay. So this is the Yarrow Golden. It's Coronation Gold. That's the Gallery Yellow Lupine. That is Graham Thomas Rose back there that's blooming. I have another one over there that is also blooming. In this section, I have, let's see, I planted, ooh, good heavens, where did I put it? Okay, so I'm looking down right here. I see a dahlia that I grew from seed. Let's see, come down here. Oh yeah, there is an Agastache right there. There is a second Agastache right there. And a third Agastache over there. And I put some other dahlias in here. Let's see, that's a dahlia right there. I planted a dahlia right there, a dahlia right there, and a dahlia right there. So this section is coming along. With the dirt, I was actually going to throw it in this one dirt pile I have, but instead I have some green giant arborvitae that need to be potted up. I'm going to plant them this fall. Let's see. Oh, that right there is a Dutel peony, and of course that's Desdemona behind it, which is blooming its little heart out. I need to give everything some fertilizer. This is Charlotte, the Charlotte Rose. Ooh, this has got black spot kind of bad. So it's blooming now. Once it blooms, I'm gonna cut it back. I'm gonna give it some fertilizer and spray it, and that should fix everything. The Desdemona has really good disease resistance. I'm really happy with that. In this bed over here, okay, I see one of my little, I don't even know what poppy that is. It decided to be short. Let's see, this is right here is one of the Agastache, and there's another Agastache right over there. That one is called Agastache Pink Glow. And then there's a third one that is right there. There are some dahlia in here. I think they're right there, and right there. I think that's what that is. Oh, wait a minute. And I also see one right there. This is the Blue and Breezy Flax. I really love how this looks. I really do. I think for next year, I'm definitely... Actually, you know what? I'm probably going to start some this summer and put them in the promenade beds. Because I love... Because this one is the purple bed, but it's the purple with... This is the blue-purple section. This one's supposed to have a little bit more blue. And it really is such a beautiful blue. I really love the way this looks. I hope it continues to bloom all summer. That would make me really happy. These are bearded irises. This is Dangerous Mood. And I had this in my last garden. Always loved it. And the peonies are starting to bloom. This is Shirley Temple. So I have 3 shrubs, and this is the 3rd one, which is opening. Okay, in this bed I planted a lot. So I did plant some dahlia, which is, let's see. You know what? The sun is blinding me, guys. I can't see. There's a dahlia right along here. Hopefully you guys can tell by the leaves. There's one over there. I planted some gaillardia, some red blanket gaillardia. You can see one of them is red right there. Sorry about that, guys. My study stick ran out of power. There's some dahlia in here. Oh, you know what? There's echinacea in here too. And where's the echinacea? I think one is right there. There's 3 echinacea. It's Cheyenne Spirit. I can't find it, y'all. They're kind of small. Okay, I think there's one right there. And, oh, I think the 3rd one is right there. Okay, so. Oh, boy. This is funny. Oh, actually, that's one of the gaillardia right there. Okay. And then last but not least, I'm going to go over here. I did plant some agastache in this bed. So this is an orangish color. It's called Tango. So there's 1, 2, 3 right there. So, yeah. And that is the one peony that's opening. And yeah, so all in all, not bad for morning. Just trying to think, is there anything else I can get in the ground? I mean, the sun's now like fully out, so I don't know how much I'm gonna get done right now. I think I'm just gonna go around and check the water levels and everything, and that might be it for right now. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? I put some balloon flower out in the promenade bed. I should really get those in the ground. Let me show you where those are. Let me see if I can. It's gonna get to, I'm cutting through the flower beds right now. It's gonna get to the point in a few weeks. I'm not gonna be able to do this because it's going to be way, way too high. Okay, let me turn the camera on. Okay, so guys, that is the balloon flower right there. I was gonna put it in the purple bed down that way. I decided not to do that, and the reason was because I still have to put mums in that purple section. So I want to make sure I have space for all of those. So I decided to just put it out here because actually out here does need some more purple. So I'm trying to get stuff planted, and then I'm gonna have to cut down the tulips, but I kind of wanted to get things planted while I could see where the tulips were so I don't end up hitting them. And yeah. Oh, by the way, these are the planters I did. Everything is starting to put on some growth. So I'm happy with that. So anyway, guys, I gotta go charge my phone. Oh, guys, this is the staging area. So I'm going to go water these bad boys because they look kind of like they're going to be kind of dry. And Yeah, you know what? I've had an aphid. I started seeing some aphids. I did the insecticidal soap, but this morning I actually saw some ladybugs, so that's a good sign. Last year I didn't have any ladybugs. This year I seem to be getting them. Oh, so that's another peony. That's Lady Anne. That's gonna go in the promenade. And oh, you know what? I forgot. I gotta plant that beard's tongue, but I gotta water it first.